Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken breast with peppers, onions, and mushrooms, baked potatoes in the microwave with a salad on the side. So come with me if you want to see how this is done. Okay, so I have some chicken breast here. I rinsed them and I'm just going to add some Kerrygold butter and some olive oil to the pan and start to cook them up on both sides. So I have 4 chicken breasts in here with about a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna cook up the chicken like I said on both sides, and in the meantime, I have 4 potatoes. This is for 4 people. I'm just gonna throw them in the microwave on 4 minutes on each side. I washed these and I poked holes in them with a fork. Potatoes are done. I'm just gonna flip them over. They're not done, but they went on the first 4 minutes. Flip them over and cook them for 4 more minutes. The chicken is crisping up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it. Now, it's not gonna cook all the way until I crisp it up on both sides and then put the lid on. When I put the lid on, I cook it with the lid on each side for probably about 10 minutes each side. Sometimes less. I usually cut one to see how it looks. For seasonings, I like to make it easy. I just put some adobo on it. Okay, so I removed the chicken from the pan. I just put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan, another one, and now I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. This is the chicken. I just put it on a plate once it was crisp. Here I have some bell peppers, some mushrooms, and some onions. I'm just going to put them right into this pan. I'm going to cover the chicken with the same lid that I used. Now I'm just going to add all the veggies. And all I'm going to do is saute these over medium. They should be done, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. It depends how crispy you like your vegetables. You have the option to season your vegetables with salt and pepper, or you can just put some more adobo on them. Alright, you guys, our chicken and baked potatoes are done. I ended up putting the baked potatoes in for an additional 4 minutes, so I did a total of 12 minutes on the baked potato. Depends on your microwave. And I'm just gonna add some poppy seed salad dressing to my salad, put some sour cream on my potato, and your dinner is done. Let me know if you try it. Tag me in the comments.